Let's run through and do a little tour real quick since we got everything open. So we have our Royal Gourmet adjustable deck height smoker / grill. So you can actually smoke a brisket in here, control the airflow. There's a little vent in the side down here, but when you're actually cooking on this and grilling, you can move the fire deck up to sear things midway or all the way down to slow cook them, and you can add your tender here in the front. It's a really nice grill. I like it. Works really well. Wasn't crazy expensive. And then our full outdoor kitchen. So we've got our sink, wash bin. Just put some water in here. You have 5 gallons of fresh water. We've got our Camp Chef Deluxe oven and stove, so cook in it. 2 burners. Our Pit Boss flat top griddle. Pizzello 12-inch deck pizza oven. In the back side, it's got a little firebox. You put your tender in the firebox and set it in there. You can add more tender in the top window. Smoke comes out there. We've got our Caratuck cooler. Yeah, so you hear those gunshots? Don't worry. The sheriff's office actually has a shooting range across the street from here. They fire into the hill. Not this way. They fire that way. But yeah, they're out here every once in a while. You hear gunshots, like a lot of gunshots. That's just the sheriff's department. So don't think that you're unsafe. You're actually super safe because they're right over there. We've got our outdoor shower by Camplux. Camplux outdoor on-demand water heater, propane powered. I got a little battery in there that's hooked to a solar tender charger, a little inline filter, and a pump to pump the water. It's all disconnected right now because it gets really cold at night and it freezes up, and that thing can bust open when it freezes. Ask me how I know. And then that's fed by this 55-gallon rain catch barrel, which comes off of the roof right there. We've got these nice little tents under here that your kids or you can hang out in and play, and there's little lights in there. It's pretty cool, especially at night. Got our solar powered lights out here. We've got solar powered lights over there at the kitchen. We've got our hanging net hammocks, swings. We've got a zip line out here, so you can zip line from here all the way out to that tree right there, about 75 foot. Up here on the balcony, you've got this nice outdoor couch, sofa lounge. We've got solar lights up here too. We've got an outdoor heater just in case it gets cold. It runs off 1 pound propane tank. So we've got a little nook here. You have coffee, wine, beer, whatever you like. There is a great view of the reservoir, which you can see off in the distance right there. It's actually closer to my eyeballs than it is to this camera. It's a great view in the late fall, winter, and early spring. Down there is our fire deck where you can hang out with you and 5 of your friends, family members, and roast marshmallows over top of the fire pit. Propane powered. This is our 16.5 foot canvas bell tent, which by the way right now is brand spanking new. On the inside we've got nice carpet. We've got our Big Buddy by Mr. Heater for the winter time when it gets cold. This heats the whole tent up on high. Put it on medium, it keeps the tent nice and warm whole night you're sleeping, even when it's down in the 20s. We've got oscillating tower fan, so in case the breeze isn't blowing like it is today, you can have breeze come through. Just have it pull through with the fan. Hooked up to our EcoFlow River Pro batteries, which the expansion battery pack, which is 1200 watts. That's enough power to power a refrigerator for like 4 or 5 hours, 60-inch TV for like 10 hours, or recharge your laptop like 20 times. It's recharged by solar, or there's a generator outside that you can plug it up to if you want to top it off real quick. We've got our Icy Breeze portable AC. Runs off of water, ice, and power. It is not a swamp cooler, it's an actual cooler. Actual AC, has a heat exchange, uses cold water as a refrigerant, and blows air out the vent there just as hard and cold as the AC in your car. We got our camp lights out here. We've got nice little wine lights. We've got lights here that go up and down this, which are nice. We've got our Makita battery powered coffee maker if you don't want to use the percolator that's outside. We've got Jumanji, checkers, a couple other games to play. There is a first aid kit in there. And there is some paper towels, toilet paper, and some coffee for the coffee maker. Also, there's a fire extinguisher over there. There's a fire extinguisher out at the outdoor kitchen. And there's a fire extinguisher down at the fire pit, just so you're safe. We've got a nice love seat here. Little footrest, tabletop. Another fan to blow air on your face at night. Memory foam, queen size mattress with full linen set. We've got carbon monoxide filter right there. Not filter. Carbon monoxide and smoke detector alarm that'll go off. That heater is designed for inside tents, so it does not create carbon monoxide, so you are safe. In the fall, the winter, summer, you can open up these windows, let the breeze blow through. If you get too chilly, zip the windows back up. Also keeps the bugs out. Zip this up, keep the bugs out. If it gets too cold, close the front flaps and the heater on, and you're nice and toasty. Like I said, the heater is propane powered. You can see our shower down there. It's fed from this rain barrel right here. And it's cool. It's a vibe.